Listen carefully because by the time this video ends, you will see money and success in a way most people never do. I'm about to reveal the exact principles I used to go from broke to financially free, the same lessons I studied from some of the greatest American entrepreneurs alive. And once you understand this, staying broke will feel almost impossible. First, imagine this. No more drowning under unpaid bills. No more waking up at 3 a.m., stressing about rent or debt collectors. Instead, picture logging into your Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America account and seeing enough zeros to finally breathe easy. That moment is real. And it doesn't start with luck, the lottery, or the government. It starts with your mindset and the daily actions you take after this video ends. Let's break it down step by step and pay special attention to the sixth step that one flips the entire game. Step 1 is killing the bedtime story that wealth just shows up one day. Money doesn't drift into your lap, it gravitates to people already in motion. So ask yourself, are you waiting for lightning to strike? Or are you willing to strike the match yourself? Visualize the life you want in detail. Smell the coffee brewing in the kitchen you own. See the car in your driveway. Then talk to yourself like it's already yours. Why? Because language shapes feelings. Feelings shape habits. And habits drag income right behind them. Nothing grows in a soil that's never planted. So take action today, even if it's small. Open an investment app, start a side hustle, read one financial book. Tiny seeds compound into forests. And when you see someone else winning, don't waste energy on jealousy, scrolling through Instagram, getting bitter at someone's new Tesla or vacation. That's like standing at a buffet with your hands in your pockets. Plenty of food, zero action. Instead, say, if it's possible for them, it's possible for me. Then go build your own door. Next, focus your energy. A scattered mind is like a flashlight in a stadium, bright but useless. Aim all your effort at one meaningful target and burn through it. Cut the gossip, stop the endless scrolling, and keep only thoughts that pay rent inside your head. If your job feels like cement around your ankles, then spend nights and weekends building an exit ramp. The internet made it possible for anyone in the US to flip skills into dollars. From tutoring to digital design, from reselling to content creation, small experiments after hours can become your freedom ticket. Passion doesn't always pay immediately, but when combined with consistency, it compounds faster than any 401k. Feed your mind more than your phone. In 30 quiet minutes with a personal finance book, a podcast, or a YouTube tutorial will move you years ahead of people binging Netflix every night. Books are free mentorship from billionaires you'll never meet in person. And here's a secret most people miss. Your environment is stronger than willpower. If everyone at your table is whining about gas prices, inflation, or the cost of groceries, find a new table. Surround yourself with solution-minded people who see opportunity, not doom. Guard your time like gold. Every hour you give away to gossip, binge watching, or pointless drama is a deposit you'll never get back. And please live below your means. In America, debt culture is everywhere. Credit cards, car notes, buy now, pay later. Discipline is not deprivation. It's building soldiers out of your dollars. Send those dollars into investments that pay you back with dividends, cash flow, and equity. Setbacks will come. You'll get rejected, lose money, maybe fail a business. Fine. Take a breath, dust off, and swing again. Discipline creates wealth. Drama destroys it. Your health matters too. In the US, medical bills are that one reason for bankruptcy. Stay active, eat decent food, keep your body running strong. Energy creates money. Celebrate your wins, but stay humble. Keep reinvesting. Quiet compounding beats loud flexing. Obstacles? They're not walls, they're data. Treat every setback as an intelligence report. Technology is your tool, not your master. The same iPhone that traps people on TikTok for 5 hours a day can connect you to mentors, clients, and income streams. Choose creation over consumption. Write your goals down by hand. Guard your credit score like it's your reputation. In America, good credit can save you tens of thousands on mortgages, car loans, and business capital. Only borrow for assets that pay you back. Start small if you must. Share knowledge online, answer questions in forums, post value on LinkedIn or TikTok. Value is magnetic, and the internet multiplies it. Remember, the next decade will pass whether you act or not. So act. Measure your progress, income, expenses, hours studied, skills gained. What you measure, you master. Push past comfort. Growth lives in discomfort. Money chases growth. Rest smart. A 20-minute walk, meditation, or power nap does more than 8 hours of junk TV. And when this video ends, don't just nod and move on. Take one concrete action within the hour. Track your net worth. Cancel a useless subscription. Throw $10 into an index fund. List an unused gadget on Facebook Marketplace. Ocean beats meditation. Small daily acts melt mountains. I've seen it happen. A cashier cutting snacks saved $150 a month, invested it, and a decade later had over $25,000. A neighbor fixing phones after work turned it into a kiosk and now employs 3 people. Side hustles, smart money moves, and consistency turn average Americans into millionaires. Build an emergency fund, learn money terms, negotiate bills, create multiple streams of income, and automate savings. That's how financial freedom is built. Gratitude matters too. A grateful mind sees abundance, not scarcity. Scarcity freezes you. Abundance pushes you to take bold, smart action. Every idle minute is an opportunity. Audiobooks on your commute, podcasts at the gym, tutorials while cooking. Suddenly, hobbies turn into businesses, and casual contacts become mentors. We've covered mindset, money, and strategy. Now the rest is up to you. Wealth isn't magic. It's ordinary people repeating simple actions with extraordinary consistency. Say this aloud. I will think like a winner, act like a builder, spend like a planner, and learn like a lifelong student. Don't let this just be motivation. Let it be your turning point. Because staying broke after hearing this would mean ignoring it, and you're smarter than that. So subscribe right now. Smash that like button and tell me in the comments which of these steps hit you the hardest. Your future self is waiting.